Welcome to today's episode in this podcast where we're exploring the journey from hobby to dream jobs in the world of data science and artificial intelligence. So, I'm Dafa and I'll be your host in this podcast. And joining me are three inspiring students from Telkom University majoring in data science. So, there's Taufik, and then there's Hauzan, and then there's Agung. So, let's just jump right in. So, could each of you introduce yourself and share a bit about how your hobbies relate to your dream jobs. Maybe starts from Taufik.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Taufik Rahman. I come from Bandung, and my dream job is become a data scientist. And my hobby actually is gaming, especially in strategy game. I think there's a big overlap between analyzing game mechanic and the kind of problem solving I do daily. It's all about pattern recognition and optimizing performance, which as a data scientist is basically my bread and butter.
So that's really awesome topic. So I do agree. I mean, strategy games do require some serious analytical skills. So, uh, about Zan, what about you? What is your how your hobbies relate to your work?
Okay, my name is Hauzan. I also a data scientist, and then my hobby is photography. At first glance, it might seem unrelated, but photography taught me a lot about perspective and looking at things from different angles, which is useful in data science. It's the same in our field. You have to explore data from various perspectives and find the right insight from that.
So that's a great perspective, not gonna lie. So maybe now finally for Agung, I know your role or your dream job is to become an AI engineer. Correct me if I'm wrong. So which AI engineer brings a unique angle to the conversation. So Agung, what hobbies do you pursue?
Okay, hello everyone. I Agung Ramadan. You can call me Agung. I enjoy building things from AIA project to small software tools that hands-on approach translate directly to my work as an AI engineer. It's about creating and fine tuning model or system. Uh, there's a lot of trial and error, but saying the final product work smoothing whether is a model or small tool is super satisfying.
Okay, so I already hear about your hobbies, and for me, it's really amazing how all of you can draw something from your hobbies to excel in your dream job roles. So now let's talk about your future goals to your relate to your dream jobs. Maybe start from Taufik. Where do you see your career heading as a data scientist?
Okay, I think I love to dive deeper into predictive analysis, building model that don't just analyze but predict what might happen next really excites me. I think the skill I've developed from game like anticipating opponent moves help fuel my interest in this area.
Okay, so that sounds fascinating because I agree with Taufik. Predictive models are definitely the future. So, Hauzan, what about you?
Okay, okay. I'm actually interested moving toward more specialist area of data science, like natural language processing. I think it will be incredible to work on project that help people to communicate across language barrier. My love for capturing moment through photography taught me to find meaning in context, which I think is a valuable skill for NLP.
So that sounds like a perfect match because, well, as an AI engineer, you have to know natural language processing or NLP, right? Maybe Agung know more about NLP than us. Okay, so let's just move on. So Agung, as an AI engineer, your dream job as an AI engineer, where do you hope to go next?
For me, I went to work on a conversion AI system. I think there's so much potential for creating AI that genuinely assist people in their daily. Building an AI assistant from scratch, all the I dream come true.
That's really exciting, Agung, and I really hope you can build an AI assistant from scratch because that would be really impressive. So, hearing from all of you, you're all on amazing path. So now we're going to tell each of these students for their advice to you guys, our listeners, who wants to turn their hobbies into their career. Maybe starts from Taufik and then starts from after that Hauzan and finally Agung. Okay, now Taufik, any advice would you give for our listeners at home?
Okay, final advice from me. Follow your curiosity. Your hobbies can often hint at what you'd enjoy doing professionally. Okay, enough.
Okay, my advice to all people definitely, and don't be afraid to approach things from your unique perspective, because that's what make you stand out.
Okay, and I just start building. Things event is a small project. Those experience are invaluable.
Okay, so maybe that's it for our podcast. And I want to say thank you for Taufik, Hauzan, and Agung for coming here in our podcast. It's been a pleasure for having you here. And hopefully, our listeners at home are inspired to connect their hobbies with their dream jobs. So, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, see you.